My name is Tugce, and I'm currently a first-year medicine resident at Florida Atlantic University, the Schmidt College of Medicine. I chose the Schmidt College of Medicine's Internal Medicine Residency Program for its emphasis on comprehensive patient care, supportive learning environment, and rich clinical and research opportunities. I chose Radiation Oncology because it blends patient care with cutting-edge technology, allowing me to make a significant impact on the lives of cancer patients. It's a field that offers both challenges and rewards, and being at the forefront of cancer treatment and research is deeply fulfilling for me. I had the opportunity to work with amazing attendings and care for cancer patients directly. Through my intern year, I completed more than 20 research projects and published about 15 research papers. This was possible due to the program's strong emphasis on academic research and an unparalleled support from faculty members. Dr. Ferris has been particularly instrumental in my growth during my time at Schmidt College of Medicine. Her dedication to resident education and her passion for medicine have been truly inspiring, making a lasting impact on my career trajectory. I also made significant strides in my ongoing research on improving patient outcomes in oncology, supported by resources and environment at the Schmidt College of Medicine. The collaborative and supportive environment, along with the close friendship within the program, have made us feel like a family. I will always cherish the relationship I have built here, and I'm gonna miss my family.